Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
Welcome, everybody, to the creator training. I'm Fran Asaro, and for those who are watching live, welcome to the Senior Tuber Circle, where we have a membership of 12 hours of training for YouTube and content creator learning. If you're interested in that, please check down below in the link if you're watching this on YouTube so that you can find out how to become a member and be part of this live, where we have Q&A and a lot of other training. For those of you who are watching from YouTube as our free program, also you want to check our description of this video where we offer some of the things we're talking about. You can have downloads and you can get more information from us. Also, if you have any comments, feel free to comment. If you have questions or if you want to share what you got from this video, please do so as well. Again, I'm Fran Asaro. I'm the founder of the Senior Tuber community, where we help mature people start and grow YouTube channels. And tonight, we're going to be starting a new series, and it's the monetization series, which is one of my favorite things to do. And the reason why is because I like to test all of my monetization options, because most people are looking to become a YouTube partner, which is fantastic. But for some, that's just too far away. They don't have enough subscribers they don't have enough watch time hours. And you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in a rolling 12 months. And we'll get into that when we talk about that section. But there are ways that you could start earning money almost immediately when you become a content creator. So we're going to talk about one of them tonight. Again, my favorite, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. And for those of you who do not know what that means, affiliate marketing is when you refer some product or some service of somebody else's, and you get a referral fee for that. If you have been around for a long time, and some of us are mature people, it used to be called bird dog fees, referral fees, finder's fees. Well, affiliate marketing is a little bit more elaborate version of that. So it's one where you have calculations. You can see your dashboard and see who's checked in, who purchased. You have a certain amount of money you're going to be receiving. You can see what you've accumulated, when you get paid. It's really kind of interesting. And why would you want to do something like this? Well, if you have certain services and your niche has things that you use, let's say for me, we'll use me as a model. I have things that I use for this channel. For instance, I have equipment. I have my microphone. I have my speakers, I have my camera. So for me to have an affiliate relationship with some of the people who have this, I can refer it to you and say, because people ask me all the time, what kind of mic do you have or what kind of monitors? So I now can share these things and get paid if you purchase it. There's several ways you can get paid for that. There are independent hubs that sell products or people's products that you're looking for. And then there's always Amazon Associates, which is like Amazon affiliate, where you can go and anything that you see on Amazon can be sold to your people and you get money for it. Now, it's not the same amount of money that you would get with some things. I've sold people's coaching programs where you get up to $1,000 or $2,000 as an affiliate marketing commission. And on Amazon, you might like $1 or $2 on certain things, but Amazon doesn't need us and they're still involving us so that we can be making money. So affiliate marketing is when you're using somebody else's products or services. But just so you know, you can have your own affiliate marketing program if you want. So if you have coaching products or programs where you would say, I'm going to go list my coaching services in this particular hub, then you would share a link with all the people who might want to share you with their people. And when they share your link and when they have a prospect who buys your program, and after you get paid, they get paid. And so there's ways to set it up so that you can see who's referring your products and how much they're selling for you. And you'll start saying, I don't know why I didn't do this from the very beginning. It's really kind of interesting and lucrative. Like I said, it's one of the easiest ways for you to start making money on YouTube. Many people think when I say affiliate marketing that I mean network marketing. Those are two different things. So I just want to make sure if you feel weird about the word affiliate marketing because you think it's network marketing where they're selling in levels and you have to get people to sign up under you, this isn't anything like this. This is like if you go to the movies or you go to a restaurant and you found something you really liked and you want to go home and tell your family, you got to go to this restaurant. They have really great food, and the restaurant gives you a free meal or a $10 coupon because you referred them. They're thanking you. They want you to be able to share about them. They're happy to pay you. When you find something you love, you share it with people, and then you get paid for sharing it. And it's called a commission that you're going to be getting for promoting those products. So when somebody buys something through your link, they get paid. And it's essentially like a word of mouth thing. And you have terms and conditions that you have to follow. Some pay you 10%. Some people pay you 100%. There are actually people out there who pay 100% because they benefit by new people coming into their flow. And they don't need the money from the product you're selling. They need new people in their wheelhouse, or that those people usually go on to buy new things. So that's where they make their money. So when you're getting something with a lot of money backs, like I've had some that have been 50% commission for somebody's coaching. And I thought, wow, that's really good. It's good for me because I have the incentive to talk about it more because there's a lot of money. And they love that you're out there talking about it. Now, how do you choose the best product for yourself? You're saying, okay, you might sell microphones, Fran, but what can I do? I'm going to give you some ideas that you can sell as an affiliate program. But you want to look at something that is about your niche, right? Something that supports your viewers. What would they be looking for? So let's say you have a baking channel and you want to talk about ingredients, equipment, pans and bake pans, journals, cookbooks. You have to think about what you're using that you love so much that it's easy for you to share about and that people are willing to buy through you. They do not have to pay any extra money by going through your link. In many cases, they actually save money by going through your link. And so it could be that if you give the link, they get 10% off, or they get 1 year free or 1 month free. So you want to make sure that people don't think that they have to pay more, that they're actually going to do better. And because of that, when you become an affiliate marketer, you're going to have to put a disclaimer in your description of your video. At the bottom, 1 paragraph, you can write it up yourself, or if you're a ChatGPT person, you could go in there and say, please write me an affiliate disclaimer for my YouTube description, and say, just make it short, because if you don't tell to make it short, you might get 2 or 3 paragraphs, and we can't afford it, losing all those characters. So just say, make it 1 paragraph to give me a disclaimer where people they know they don't have to pay any extra money, and they may even save money, and that it helps your channel. You want to be honest about this. More than likely, you're doing something for free to get your name out there, to get your legacy out there, to share your products. And you have to let people know this is a way that you can contribute back to me by, if you're going to be buying these products anyway, that you can contribute back by just buying the products that I present to you here, and it won't cost you any more money. And so you want to train your people how to support you. And this is one of them with affiliate marketing. Say, please just look at my stuff before you go anywhere else. When you're sharing your links and somebody gets the link to share, they have to buy from that link. Here's the thing about Amazon. You can go on an Amazon link and need a microphone. And if somebody buys that microphone and decides while they're there, they're going to buy a brand new computer for $3,000, you're going to get credit for that. So you really want to make sure that you use the Amazon Associate. If you can get it, it's worth having. And I'll put it in the link how you can sign up for Amazon Associates so that you can be making money. So another thing that you could be sharing about is software programs, editing software programs, iMovie, something like that, Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro. Some of those you could be selling on there. Music and sound effects. Do you need some of that to help people? These are things that I could use, but maybe you would do something else. I'm just trying to give you how to think outside the box. Also, we have online courses and training, which you can see all the time. I think it's ClickBank. You can go there and get a lot of courses that people have, and you get a lot of money on some of them. Like I said, some of them are 50% or even 100%. Not everybody. Some are, it's only just 10%. But you can go to some of these, even to Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, and try to find some of those who are working with the courses for you. Another way is social media tools. If you want, you can go to Hootsuite or Buffer. When I find something I like, I've been trained over the past few years is this something I want to share? Do I like it? And then I go right to checking on Google to see if they sell an affiliate program, if they have an affiliate program. It's like a reflex for me. So if you're looking for places that do tech, there are certain affiliate hubs and that you can go there to find the things that you want to represent your company and the things you want to talk about. All right. You also have e-commerce platforms. You can go to Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, where you can share these with people. It's not always about Amazon. It's other companies that are, so many companies have it. And it's not just people who are content creators either. I know QuickBooks pays really good on affiliates. So they might have things like QuickBooks that can help you with bookkeeping. I don't know that for sure, but I'm just saying it doesn't have to be a content creator platform for you. Digital products, like I said, ebooks, Kindle, publishing products, Udemy again, if you wanted to do that. And physical products, tech gadgets, fitness products. So if you're in the fitness industry, great business to be doing affiliate. You sell some of your memberships if you wanted to do that. You sell your actual gadgets and your equipment if you wanted to do that. And it's really good. A lot of people do that. And if you're in the wellness industry, you could do it with vitamins and supplements and products that you might be using in other areas. And also subscription boxes are really good. So if you have Loot Crate, Boot of the Month, or Fab Fit and Fun, there are people who sell subscription boxes and they pay you for telling them because sometimes they're brand new and they're trying to get their names out of there and they want people who have an influence on social media to be talking about them. So this is kind of what the spreadsheet's going to be, what I'm going to offer in the description. So what you do is you just create your affiliate partner spreadsheet where you have the name of the company that you're a representative for, the actual link that you get from signing up. Once they approve you, some you need to be approved and some you don't. You just get approved automatically. But once you become an official member, this is your shareable link. So I just go in and I copy it and I share it whenever I need it. And then I have the dashboard where I go in and I can go see what status I am, who ordered what, how much money am I due, when am I getting paid. And there's even more, again, the spreadsheet that I'll be offering also has other opportunities where they'll pay you on 2 tiers, meaning if you sign somebody up and then they want to sign up with you, they'll pay you on 2 different levels. And if there's any bonuses and commission, and if you have any codes, special codes. So it's pretty cool. So what are you going to do with your affiliate companies once you have it? And that's what's important. The best thing you can do with it is you can make videos about it. You can share it on your newsletters. Now, also, how much can you make? It's really tough to say. You can make, like I said, you can make 50% on some of these courses and pennies on some others. But what will really determine how much you make is how much you put into it. If it's sitting on a list like my list, and that's all you're doing, you're not going to make much money. But if you say, okay, I like TubeBuddy, and I'm going to make a TubeBuddy library of how to use TubeBuddy, and I'll be talking about TubeBuddy in 10 videos, chances are I'm going to do well. And I'm in TubeBuddy, and it's a residual payment. Some of them pay you once. If somebody does a course, they pay you once for the course. In some things, they're residual. Every time somebody renews, you get paid. That's something for you to make a decision whether you want to represent both or one type of sale when you're doing affiliate marketing. So you could make a few dollars a month to a few $1,000s a month, depending on your efforts and the company that you choose and the commission. All right, so how to organize your affiliate partners. Like I said, you can have the spreadsheet. If you can't do a spreadsheet now, at least sign up for things and then save them in your bookmarks on your computer. Just save them. That's for years. I only had them in my bookmarks and I kept them there until I was ready to build something, which was the spreadsheet, which saved me because I need to have all that information at my fingertips so that when I'm sharing, I don't have to wait, say, give me 10 minutes and I'll get it to you. It's right there. So having it at your fingertips is really good. It's really important that you stay organized with it. So I recommend simple tracking any way you do it. I might even do a journal eventually where you can track your affiliate marketing so that you know what commissions are coming in. Now, that's something I'm about to start differently now is I want to track just affiliate marketing income so I can see. It's nice to get those checks and I could have it on a spreadsheet, but I want to be able to see it right in front of me every month, what came in and what's still coming in.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.